Imagine a world without HTML, a world without the internet as we know it today. A world where the digital landscapes we traverse daily are dull and non-interactive. Sounds a bit bleak, doesn't it? This is because HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the backbone of the internet, the language that breathes life into the web pages you visit. Now let's delve into the fascinating history of HTML. It all began in the late 1980s when Tim Berners-Lee, a physicist at CERN, the European Physics Research Center, invented HTML. The first version, HTML 1.0, made its debut in 1991. It was a simple, rudimentary language that allowed for basic document structure, including headings, paragraphs, and links. HTML 2.0 followed in 1995, introducing more features like forms and image maps. The mid-90s also saw the rise of proprietary elements introduced by browser vendors, leading to inconsistencies across different browsers. Then came HTML 3.2 in 1997, which was the first version standardized by the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C. This was a significant step because it meant the language was now universally recognized, making it easier for web developers to create pages that displayed consistently across different browsers. The turn of the millennium saw the introduction of HTML 4.01, which brought along a host of new features like style sheets, scripts, frames, and more. However, it was not until 2008 that HTML5 began its development. HTML5, the current version, was finalized in 2014. It revolutionized web development with the introduction of new elements, APIs, and a focus on interoperability and mobile web development. HTML5 is now the standard for web developers worldwide, shaping the internet as we know it today. To summarize, HTML, the backbone of the internet, has come a long way since its inception in 1991. From HTML 1.0's basic document structure to HTML5's focus on interoperability and mobile web development, each version has played a crucial role in shaping the digital world we navigate today. It's important to remember that without HTML, the vibrant interactive web pages we enjoy today would not exist. It's thanks to the continuous evolution of this language that we can experience the internet in all its dynamic glory. So next time you browse a website, take a moment to appreciate the intricate language that's working behind the scenes, making it all possible.